Hello everybody. On this video, I'm going to show you 4 remote jobs that are hiring right now that you can do part-time working from home. And we're going to get into that right now. Okay, the first job, the first remote job that you can do part-time that's hiring right now and that you could look into to make money online is a company called Lionbridge. And they offer a lot of different kinds of jobs, so I recommend checking back here quite often. Um, Once you go to, obviously, I'm at the site right now, but if you want to, all of the links to the 4 remote jobs that I'm going to be covering on this video can be found in the show notes or in the description box below this video in the description. So once you head over to lionbridge.com, you can go into, up at the top here, you'll see join our team. You just click on that. It'll bring you to a page that looks like this, and it'll list off the different types of current job openings that they have right now. Like I said, this remote job is available right now. They have corporate associate jobs. They have testers, raters, and curators. This is where they're looking for home-based workers. So most of the people watching this video, but of course, if you are interested in some of the other types of work like translating and agencies, or if you want to do some interpreting, things like that, they offer those as well. But if you want to just go look at some of the common jobs that they have and the general jobs they have, you would just click on that and it will bring you to a page that will offer current opportunities. As you can see, they offer jobs in Canada, the United States, down in South America, in all over Europe, in Somalia, and as well as Asia and South Asia and Australia and New Zealand. So head over there, it'll give you a different, you can just click on the area where you want to find a job from, and it will give you the listing of all of the jobs that the lionbridge.com has available for you right now. Now, the second remote job I'm pretty excited about is called ubatracers.com. And like I said, the links of all 4 of these opportunities will be listed in the show notes in the description box below. This company is looking for people to process UBA accounts. Basically what that is unclaimed bank accounts or unclaimed balances. And as you can see here, it's pretty straightforward of what you're going to actually do. They have an orientation. I've been in here myself. It's very, very good at walking you through everything that you need to do. Basically, you find accounts to process from the government databases that they provide in the link. You claim the accounts that you are going to process. You submit the forms with the processed data entry information that you've entered in on the forms, and you get paid. And that's how simple it is. The company pays 10% of the actual account that you're processing. I'm just going to give you an example of how much you can make at this company. I'll just punch in a random name that you're going to do searches for. Let's punch in the name Morrison. And we'll see, or I spelled it wrong. Punch in Morrison. And we'll do a search here in Texas, and this is one of the regulated databases that they have set up here at the company. So what they do here is, like I mentioned, they pay 10% on the accounts that you process. There are thousands and thousands of accounts you'll be scouring through. There's more than 1,000 just under the name Morrison, for instance. They only pay accounts that you process that are over $250. So most of the accounts obviously are going to be less than $250, but you get paid 10% of the accounts that you process. For instance, this is one that you could process. This would take you about 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes of work, and you would get paid $38.70 to do that. Here's a bigger one for Adam Morrison. If you process this, you would get $117 for about 30 minutes of work. So it's a very, very high paying account. The majority of the accounts are not over $250, but you just have to spend your time going through the databases. As you see on this page, there's nothing, a lot of smaller ones, but there is a lot of big ones. Again, here there's another $268 one, so it's not very difficult to find them. There's another one, $1,500. You get paid $150 on those ones. So it's a very, very lucrative way to make money from home. And so head over to again, head over to ubctracers.com, and again, that link's in the footnotes. Another company that's hiring right now so that you can work from home and make money with, that is offering remote jobs, is carecentrix.com. And if you head over there, you'll get to a page that looks like this. And all you simply do is scroll down to the bottom and you look under the careers section. It will bring you to a page like this, and in the purple box here, button in the middle, if you click on View Open Positions, it will bring you to all of the job listings that they have there. And as you can see, there are a lot of them. So a lot of good places to find different positions for different backgrounds, different experiences, different educations that you might have, or basically things that you might just be interested in. They do have a good search, robust search to be able to do that. You can search it by location, or you can just scroll through all of them and find the ones that you want to apply for. The last one of the remote jobs that you can work part-time and work from home, or basically anywhere from home. You can, as long as you got a laptop or a mobile device, most of these jobs can be done that way as well. This site is called nettranscripts.com, and basically it's a government and law enforcement agency, and basically they have jobs throughout America that you can apply for. Again, you click under careers, it will break you under a search area where you can do your searches. You can punch in keywords to find your searches, or you can do the drop down and it will list off the current positions. As you can see here today, some of them are transcription, a lot of them are all of them are transcriptions. So you're transcribing law enforcement documents, audios and videos and things like that. And you can apply for those once you get over to nettranscripts.com. Now, again, all of the remote jobs that I've just spoke of, in the notes in the description box below, I put all the links to those websites so that you can go through them and try to find something that's that you're interested in, or that you're qualified for to be able to work from home. I strongly suggest that you come back, subscribe to this channel, because I've always got new and great information to post so that you can find employment or a way to earn income online. And I look forward to bringing you the next video. Hopefully I become a valuable resource in you making more money online. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.